Take this iPhone 13 as an example. The maximum battery capacity is 85%. We will use JCID V1 SE Programmer, External Battery Repair FPC. Firstly, we need to remove the BMS board from the original battery. Next, connect the external battery repair FPC to the battery's connector. Connect the external FPC to the V1 SE instrument. And reset the data to 100% capacity and 0 cycles. After that, install the battery to the phone. Connect the charging cable and boot the phone. At this point, the maximum capacity of the battery is still the same as before. Reboot the phone, and you will see that the maximum capacity has been reset to 100%.